Hello and welcome! I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on face coverings during a pandemic. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. During a pandemic, it may be recommended or even required that you wear a face covering when in public to help keep you and others from contracting the disease. The idea is that the face coverings can help stop the spread of droplets from coughing or sneezing that could spread the disease. In this lesson, we'll go over recommended materials, where you can find suggestions on how to make your own covering, what to do when putting on and taking off your covering, how to tell that it's time to dispose of your covering, and finally, who should not wear a face covering. When it has been recommended or required that you wear a face covering, where do you start? What materials can you use? While face coverings can be made from multiple types of fabric, such as cotton, silk, or linen, it is recommended that densely woven fabrics be used to maximize the greatest protection possible. Some example materials can include clean cotton t-shirts, scarves, some types of towels, neck gaiters, or a bandana. While knowing the types of materials is useful, you may not know how to turn these materials into an appropriate covering if they are not immediately available for purchase. To get some ideas on how to create your own face covering, both sewing and no-sew methods, it is strongly suggested that you go online and check out websites such as your local health department and the Centers for Disease Control, or CDC. Some of your local hospitals and healthcare provider websites may also have information or videos on how to create your own face coverings. When you are finished making your covering, it should fit snugly but comfortably against the side of the face. Be secured with ties or ear loops. Include multiple layers of fabric. Allow for breathing without restriction. And be able to be laundered and machine dried without damage or... Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.